In this video, we're going to learn about trim and proper. Trim is going to allow you to delete and make all of your data align against the column itself. And what proper is going to do is allow all of your data, such as names and lettering, capital lettering to where it needs to be capital. So the first step, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to insert two new columns. Do it for this one. And we're going to want to make this our new value. So we're going to go ahead and put equals trim proper A1 parenthesis, enter. And then you're going to want to go ahead and drag this down. And you can see now that all of the data is capitalized and against the column. So it's all even. We're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for the first name, trim proper B2 parenthesis, and then just like that, we're going to go ahead and drag it down. So now you can see also the first name is all capital and it is against the column. So now that we don't need these two columns, we're going to want to delete them. But before we do that, we want to make sure that the values in these are going to remain constant. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy this entire column. Now we have that copied. We want to paste special and we want to retain the value. So now we can do that. Now we can go ahead and delete this last name column. And then we're going to want to go ahead and do the exact same thing for the first name. So we're going to go ahead and copy this entire column, copy, and we're going to go to paste special. We're going to want to retain the value. Now we did that. Now we can go ahead and delete the first name column. So now we have our new columns, which are going to remain constant with the rest of our table. They are all trimmed and moved to the edge of the column, and they're also all capitalized. And that is how you trim and proper.